John here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I figure I'd show you something different. It's my trailer. I bought it April last year, just before I bought my tractor, being the Massey Ferguson gc1723e. Good tractor, excellent trailer. Let me show you what it is. Here it is. 6'4" wide, 14 foot long. And it's a dovetail. Tandem axles, both rated 7,000 pounds. Now, of course, it didn't come with the toolbox. That has something a little special in it. Let me show you. I mounted a 10,000 pound winch in there. I'll open up the toolbox and show you what it looks like inside. I figured, you know, I wanted a home for this winch, and I think I pretty much found it. It took a lot to get this thing in here. I had to make a plate, and I had to make brackets. I had to beat the crap out of one part of it so I can use the clutch. But this thing works great. What I use to power it, believe it or not, is cables. Kind of like an extension cord. I got a number 10 extension cord, and I got clips on there so I could just run it over the top of the tow vehicle and hook it up to the battery, because I didn't want to mess with a separate battery. When I made the bracket, mounted the winch, I put it on these pieces of 4-inch channel, and it's welded to the frame. So the way everything is, there ain't no way anyone can steal this, because you'd have to rip the whole thing apart. Now, it's got the heavy duty coupling, 2-inch ball. That jack, that's awesome. That thing will go all the way up. My other trailers never went up that high. But I wanted to show you this trailer and see what you think. Let me get you back over here. Getting a little cloudy. If you watched my last video, I was planting onions. Yeah. I got done what I wanted to. So let me get you set back up here. But anyways, I wanted to show you my trailer. And you would not even believe what that thing cost. Now, I've been to several trailer places and hoping that I can trade my 5x10 trailer in. Nah, that wasn't going to happen. A trailer like that in Tennessee is $3,000. $3,000, not even a dovetail. I want to love dovetail for 2 reasons. It's easy loading, and it's also, the gate is so low, it's not like pulling a bloody parachute down the road, which pulling that with my GMC Envoy, believe it or not, I burned less gas pulling it than I did that little trailer with the big gate. But anyways, wanted to show you what I got and what I'm using around the homestead and abroad. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, even if you like the trailer. Subscribe if you haven't to. Share with your friends. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for stopping by.